Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome to another monthly catch up episode section 11. This is section 11. So my face is a little bit rough today. So sorry guys. I didn't start this earlier. This is almost 5 and it's very hot. So right now I went to market about 3 days ago. We have a project we want to work on and some other things. The last month catch up, we finished the wallet, we finished the bag, and every other thing. You guys have watched it. So this month we'll be working on the ones we have here. So I have gotten the fabrics. And some of the interface we'll be using. So the accessories I place order for it. Probably it should be coming tonight, so they should be calling me tomorrow morning to go pick it up. Or even if they did not call me tomorrow morning, I have to go there to pick it up because I can't wait. I have to deliver this in just few, I think 2 3 days. I have to deliver this by Sunday or Saturday. So we have to work on that aspect. So right now, let me turn the camera so I can show you the fabrics. They are very nice fabrics and the interface. And right now, I will be cutting it. I am going to show you the time lapse a little bit. So time lapse of me cutting it. So later on, as the weeks goes on, we'll keep you updated on what we'll be doing at the workshop. So workshop is still the way it used to be. So guys, things are still going on. So probably we have a lot of projects we're working on apart from bag, other projects, other side projects we work on this channel. So guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for those of you who are subscribed. We are growing by the day. And for those of you who have not subscribed, I urge you right now to subscribe because you are missing. You are missing. For you to just come on this channel and watch for one time and come back again, you are missing. But when you subscribe to the channel, when we upload a new video, you'll be one of the first people to get notified. So right now, click the subscribe button. It's here. Click the subscribe button now and leave in the comment section down below what you think. For those of you who are also interested in learning with us, the link to the site where you can apply for the training will also be in the link in the description. Give this video a giant thumbs up as you watch it. So let me proceed with the rest of the activities and I will see you guys later. Bye for now. So guys, talking about what we'll be doing, it's some ashoke. We'll be making this particular bag. We make this bag 2021, we make it 2022 and 2023, and this is 2024, but we upgraded this to like the midi. So here used to be 8 before, here used to be 4, here used to be 5. So now this is 6, this is 5. Here used to be 4, this is now 5. Here used to be 3, the gusset used to be 3, this is now 4. The bottom gusset used to be 4 before, this is now 5, and the length of the bag used to be 8 before, this is now 10. So there are a lot of changes. Even here used to be 2 before and this is now 2.5. And right now these are the fabrics we got. I think we have up to 6 different fabrics if I'm not mistaken, or 7. We have this navy blue, this plain navy blue. You see the way it's very nice and beautiful. So we have this particular green and should I say orange. Then we have this lilac mixture of white and other color. We have this sky and navy blue as well, sky and navy blue. Then we have this I don't even know what, I can't remember. Okay, this is purple, right? Or this is pink. This is pink, yeah, pink. And we have this orange and this particular one. So pardon me, I'm not good at those color, because when you start measuring color now you get confused and people will come online and be like, oh, this is the color, this is the color. So you guys can name the color for me in this comment section. Let's see if we get the color right. So I'm going to pack this right now and I will start cutting the interface. So you guys, I am going to also show the time lapse a little bit, so you guys stay tuned to watch it. So whichever way it goes within the week, I'll keep you guys updated, and we shall continue with what we will be doing for this month. So see you guys at the continuation. guys can see. Just collect it. So right now I want to check the stuff inside. Later on I'm going to show you guys and see the content we have inside. So here's it, guys. So guys, good morning and welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. I think yesterday I showed you the accessory I went to collect, and okay, just the accessory. I didn't show you the cutting of the fabrics. And yesterday I was supposed to apply gum to the fabrics and start applying gum to the interface as well. I didn't get time to do that, so today that's what we'll be doing. I will be filming the time lapse now, and the accessories are here, so I will show you. If I can show you early, I will show you later in the week as we progress with the work. But right now I will just do a time lapse and you guys will see what I will be doing at the workshop. So stay tuned and watch this closely. So guys, I will talk to you later on as we proceed with the stuff. As you can see, these are all the fabrics on the deck here. These are all the fabrics here, and we have the interface here. These are all the interface, and what is it called? The accessory. This is it here. So I'm just showing you that because right now I want to start the work. It's very early and I have a meeting today, and today is Friday. So I want to see if I can use just 3 hours. This is I've been here since 6. This is past 7. If I can use 7, 8, 9, 10 to work, because I have meeting by 12, so I can use 1 hour to prepare and 1 hour to be on my way to the meeting. So once I come back, I should be back by 3 or 4. Then we'll still proceed with the work before we close for the day. I don't know if I will be very tired, but whichever way it goes, I'll keep you guys updated and see you guys the other side as we continue. So keep watching this. Okay, you were supposed to watch I show a little bit of the accessory when I collect it before unpacking it, but later I will still show you guys, keep you guys updated. So see you at the continuation. So guys, update. This is what was with what we've achieved so far in the past few days. As you can see, we've applied everything. We are working on the lining. We have some lining there. This is the bottom. We have the gusset there. Here are some lining, and this is the lid for the cover. Cover for the lid, or anyhow you want to put it there, and those are the lining and the again. As you can see, this is the brand we are producing this particular for the indigenous. You guys might be familiar with them. We produce their bags as well, so it's not everything we show on this channel. So guys, that is just what I want to show you guys for the meantime. So whichever way it goes, if I'm able to do the time lapse, I will continue. If I'm not able, I'll just show you randomly the way I show you this particular one. But we are close to time of the delivery. So and by the way, the accessories I say I'm going to show you, there's no time for me to show you today again, probably tomorrow. The first thing before I start any work at the workshop, I will just bring it out and show you guys if I'm able. So I will just try my best to do that whichever way it goes. So guys, thank you for watching. For those of you who have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. If you have any questions, for those of you who are still interested in our online training, it is pretty much available. For those of you who are interested, I want people that are really interested, not people that come to just ask questions. You can slide in my WhatsApp DM to ask those questions. But if you have just normal question you want me to attend to, you can ask it in the comment section down below. But if it's regards to the training, or if you want further inquiry, you can use the WhatsApp, and link is also in the description for where our class is. You can see the amount we fixed there for you to apply. We have the beginning class, the intermediate class, and the professional class, and we have other class we've done in the past, and we are still yet to update them to work on it. So that's just the update so far, guys. Let me leave you now to continue the rest of the work. I will see you guys later. So guys, these are the accessories I say I'm going to show you. Usually you can see this silver chain. Focus. See this silver chain. Here is the black chain. Here is the gold chain. So all these items you see, I get it from 3 different suppliers. The chain from one particular supplier, then this lock, the silver and black lock from another supplier. This is, I got 2 silver lock, then the black one I think 4 here. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the silver is just 2. Then the bridge, I got a lot of black bridge, gold bridge and silver bridge. As you can see, this is the silver bridge. Focus. So as you can see, this is the silver bridge. Then we have the black bridge. It's inside this packaged nylon. Then we have the gold bridge. Then I got the gold lock from another vendor. I think 6 of the gold lock, but the gold lock, the supplier did not put the washer, which is this particular one you guys can see here. I contacted them yesterday. They said they are going to get back to me, and they didn't get back. So definitely I have to call them. I just got confused. It seems as if I'm seeing just 3 plates here, but actually it's not 3 plates. I think this is up to 6. So that's just it. So right now I'm going to package it back, and I will be locking. I'm going back home. I have things to do. It's already late, so I just decided to show you guys so that you guys can be aware and be updated. So let's pack it back to where they belong. So watch the time lapse. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. As you guys can see, we've worked really hard on this one. I have come all the lining and every other thing for the bottom and for the gusset, and I've fixed all the bridge for all the bag. What I'm about to do now is to gum down the cover. Once we gum down the cover and the pocket inside, then from there we can start fixing the lock. And we have the locks here. You remember I show you guys the locks, so I will fix all the locks. After I fix all the lock, then from there we start sewing, assembling before we fix the front. So whichever way it goes, I will keep you guys updated so that you guys can learn from this particular work. So see you at the continuation of it. Thank you guys for watching, and I do appreciate those of you who have subscribed to the channel. For those who have not subscribed, use this time to subscribe. When you also subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this our video. And for those of you who are interested in learning, my WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. You can chat me up from there, and link will be there too to where you can apply for the training directly without even getting in touch with me. So we'll see you guys there. Talk to you guys later. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly update. As you guys can see, they are looking beautiful, right? Yeah, I did this few days ago. I didn't get time to show you, but today I'm going to fix all the chain. Actually, this is 10. I'm supposed to make 11. There's still one here I need to make, but I will not be showing the making of this right now. I'm just going to do a time lapse and fix the chain of this, and that's where we are going to end this monthly catch up. Fix the chain and burn all the edges and all the thread. I've not done that. I have to do that. Make sure everything is tidy and very clean. So guys, they are looking very nice. I think this is what I'm even going to use for the what is it called, the thumbnails. I'm using this for the thumbnails. So guys, enough of that. Let me fix the chain now and continue with the rest of the activities. See you at the continuation. So you guys can see that we are done with the bag. As you have watched the time lapse, how I fix all the chain. They are looking very nice. They are beautiful bag, as you guys can see. They are all beautiful, and I like them so much. So here's just the weekly monthly catch up for you guys. That's the monthly catch up. So probably we'll still be working on some activities. This is what we are going to show you for this month. The other project we have is not yet fully approved. They've paid for it, but they've not fully approved the design, so we can't wait for the project to start. So we just have to end this one. After we are done, and we'll post it when we start. We watch that one. We'll be doing this one. So guys, thank you for being here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the continuation of that next catch up, next week catch up. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.